Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to deposit cash into your Revolut account. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Revolut application and log in using your user credentials. After this, you're going to see the Revolut's dashboard. Here, you're going to first of all click on the add money option, that is this plus icon just right here. Now, it will take you to another page that says add money. Here, you're going to click on the change option available just after Apple Pay option. So you can also add your money using Apple Pay if you want. Just simply enter the amount that you want to add in this field. You can also select your currency. Currently, it is set at Euro. Now, after you set your currency and the amount that you want to deposit, you can click on change and that is going to take you to another page. Here, it says how to add money. So, you can easily add your money through bank transfer, regular bank transfer, Apple Pay, Ideal, debit or credit card, or salary. So you can choose any kind of option that you want on this page. After choosing that option, you'll be taken back to the page that we were on. Here, you'll have to just click on the pay option, enter our PIN, and we would have successfully deposited cash into our Revolut account. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.